Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be learning about networking in Java. Networking is an essential part of modern programming, and Java provides a rich set of APIs for network programming. So let's dive into the world of networking in Java. So what is networking? Networking basically refers to the exchange of data between two or more systems. In the context of Java programming, networking involves establishing connections between two or more applications and exchanging data between them over a network. Java provides APIs for both client-side and server-side networking. Before we dive into the code, let's first understand the concept of IP addresses and port numbers. IP Internet Protocol addresses are unique identifiers assigned to each device on a network. Port numbers, on the other hand, identify a specific process or application running on a device. When we establish a connection between two machines over a network. Now let's see some examples of how to create a client-side and server-side connection in Java. We'll start with the client-side connection. We'll use the socket class to create a socket and connect to a server. Here is the code. Here we are creating a new socket object with the IP address 127.0.1 localhost and port number 8080. Once we've created the socket, now let's see how to create a server-side connection. We'll use the server-socket class to create a socket and listen for incoming client connections. Here is the code. Here we are creating a new server-socket object on port number 8080. Then we use the accept method to listen for incoming client connections. Once a client connects, the accept method returns a new socket object, which we can use to exchange data with the client. That's it for this video. I hope you found this introduction to networking in Java helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding!